Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is ZUFAYRI. Today I want to present about differentiation related to aircraft. I want to present with my friend AHMAD SHAFI Adam and Muhammad ZAID. Differentiation is the action of computing a derivative. The derivative of a function y equal to fx of a variable x is a measure of the rate at which the value y of the function changes with respect to the change of variable x. It is called the derivative of f with respect to x. If x and y are real number, and if the graph of f is plotted against x, the derivative is the slope of this graph at each point. The simplest case, apart from the trivial case of a constant function, is when y is a linear function of x, meaning that the graph of y is a line in this case, y equal to fx equal to mx plus b.
Differentiation relates to aircraft. Differentiation is important for accurate calculation and estimates. Without this, it will be very difficult to design structures and systems. If the planes did manage to get off the ground, there will be a lot more crashes if our calculation were not correct. It has been used every day in this job because every calculation needs to be very accurate. From making sure parts fit together to ensuring structures are strong enough and that there's enough lift to take off, every calculation has to be perfect so that it all works together and the aircraft is in good condition before takeoff.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Shafi Adam bin ADNAN KAMENG and my number metric is 24 DAM 20F1035 and this is the question. An aircraft fuel tank has a height of 5 meters. Petroleum are poured into the tank at the rate of 10 meters cubed per second. The radius of tank are 40 meters and as an engineer, find the petroleum increasing rate level in the fuel tank, which is pi is equal to the 3.142. So here's the solution. Volume of the aircraft fuel tank is cylinder. So the volume of cylinder is pi r square h and dr over dh is equal to 2 and dv over dt is equal to the 10 meter square at 10 meter cube over s. Balik sekali. Volume of the aircraft fuel tank cylinder and the volume of formula volume of cylinder is pi r square h and dr over dh is equal to 2 and dv over dt is equal to the 10 meter cube over s. So dv over dh is equal to the dv over dr times dr over dh. 2 pi rh times 2 and the final answer for dv over dh is equal to the 4 pi rh. What we want to find is petroleum rate level increasing is equal to the dH over dt is equal to the dH over dv times dv over dt. dH over dv is 1 over pi rh times dv over dt, which is 10 meter cube over s, and get 10 over 4 pi rh and get 10 over 4 times pi times 10 meter times 5 meter. And the final answer should be 25 over 1,571 meters square. So the conclusion is the petroleum increasing rate level in the fuel tank are 25 over 1,571 meter square. Thank you.